Sithokoze.
No, asibonga kakhulu ke namhlanje sise ICC la khona si attend khona iAfrica Tourism indaba. Sizobukisa kakhulukazi ngamasiko ethu, sizokukhombisa na ngokuthi amasiko ethu abaleka ngakanani uku-attracta i-tourism. And namhlanje ke sinensizwa eqhamuka eMpumalanga kweleKwaNdebele. Mhlawumbe ke ngesizwe ke igama nesibongo newethu.
Bakwethu lotshani ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, indebele lihlakaniphileko nelifundileko. Ungangigugula ngiyaguguleka, ungangilandela ke wonke ama social media platforms @Thando Mahlangu _ even on YouTube. My story with Thando Mahlangu, you can check there. We speak about Ndebele culture, legendary stuff zamaNdebele. Bakwethu njengombana ngivunule nje. Ngivunule isiNdebele, ngibuya kwaNdebele, le silibiza ngokuthi inaka. Yabona? And then bese la ngivunule isiholani, lapha ngivunule isikhethu sibiza ngokuthi yizwide. And then la ngivunule itayanyana, representa i-t-shirt yona ngokwayo. Yes.
Okay.
So sisichaba samaNdebele, we came through to Durban where we are going to showcase the language, the culture, the craft, the creativity of us, because Africa is known by the colors of amaNdebele. Nasikhuluma iqiniso. So ngikho ke nengwenyama uzwelithini wakhuliswa sichaba samaNdebele, wakhulela kwaNdebele, wabuya nakazokubusa la eKZN. Yes.
Mhlambe ke uselapho mfowethu ubani owenza lemvunulo eMandebele?
Ivunulo le yenziwa ngubaba Mahlangu, yenziwa ngumma uMathibela, yenziwa ngimi, yenziwa ngu-AC Sikhosana, Bishop Sikhosana. He's doing this beautiful stuff, and then he's also doing inaka. Inaka lifana nengubo lokha kade umuntu nakabhubha kwalala bebamuphuthela ngesikhulu. So nabambulunga bambulunga ahlezi so. Yabona? So now senza into ezinjalo sibuyisela esikhethwini, sifuna ukuthi sibe namafame amakhulu asikwazi ukuprocessa isikhulu, ngoba sibonile ukuthi abantwana beAfrica balahlekile when it comes to ivunulo, ilimi lethu alinamali, ivunulo yethu ayinamali. So sibathatha sibabuyisele emuva ukuthi abantwana abancane sibakhulise bazi imarathanga ukuthi iqhakatheke kangaka.
Would you also attribute that to culture, tourism and economy?
Yes. Yes. Yabona njengombana silapha namhlanje kuhlangene ama-African continent, kuhlangene abantu abasuke eAfrica nabaphethe umnotho. So ngikho wonke umuntu onzima nomntwana onzima fanele nakakhulako akwazi uku-attenda iDurban indaba, ngoba kula ohlangana khona nezinye inchaba, ufunda amanye amalimi, ufunda isikopilo lawo, ukhona ukubona ukuthi iculture nevunulo yethu iqhakatheke kangangani. That's why eSouth Africa isichaba samaZulu sikhamba phambili ngevunulo, sikhamba phambili ngokusekela ilimu lazo. So inchaba zonke kufanele zenze njalo ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza ukuthi ilimi nesikopilo lethu zinemandla, zine-economy. Nenkolweni we need to teach our children ama subject abo maths ngade mother tongue, so that bazokwazi ukuphasa, because currently the challenge sifesa ukuthi abantwana baqabanga ngesiNdebele mara ufunda isingisi, then emdela sihlole phasi into le ibenza ukuthi bafeyile enkolweni. So njengombana sila siba encourage ukuthi umnotho lo ndesi exchange hlangana nathi ukuthi isikopilo neculture zikhule zithuthuke.
Bekunjalo ke ICC kwi-Africa Tourism indaba namhlanje sibonga kakhulu umfowethu ebimela isizwe samaNdebele, kakhulukazi isiko lamaNdebele, sibonga kakhulu.
Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamamba.
Jambo, habari, olo, bonjour, good morning Africa, good morning world. Let us rise and welcome His Excellency President Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa, President of the Republic of South Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, get comfortable, because we got a story to tell. Today, the nations of a mighty continent come together to remember it's tourism, not just travel. It's triumph, trade, people, It's taxis to terminals, rhythm to runways, footsteps becoming future.
We've got a couple of spots which have dinosaur footprints.
You will hear the rumble rise from the floor. Of Morocco to the markets of Malawi, from the rooftops of Rwanda to the rivers of the Congo. Genela, Pumele, Genela, Pumele, Genela. Ghana's groove, Namibia's desert, pyramids of Egypt. So now we're green down, been cool. Spent a zonky, was ain't cool.